Succulent chicken bathed in a sticky sweet honey garlic sauce with a lovely hint of savoury richness. This slow cooker honey garlic chicken is a flavour-packed comfort classic. We've got minimum prep required for this honey garlic chicken. We just put everything in the slow cooker and leave it to do its job. So I've got a kilo or 2.2 pounds of chicken thighs here. They are skinless and boneless and they've been sliced into quarters. And we're going to put them straight in the slow cooker. Now to a bowl or a jug, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch, plus a half a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, garlic powder and paprika. We're also going to add a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 4 cloves of minced garlic. And then mix that all together until fully combined, until that cornflour is fully absorbed. To that mixture, we're going to add 120 ml or half a cup of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of chopped up unsalted butter, and 165 ml or half a cup of honey, and stir it all together. Pour the honey garlic sauce mixture over the chicken in the slow cooker and stir it all together. Now we're going to leave that to cook together for about 3 to 4 hours on high or 5 to 6 hours on low. If you get the chance, it's a good idea just to give it a little stir in the last hour or 2 of cooking, but if you don't get the chance, don't worry, just stir it together at the end. It can't get easier than bunking it all in the slow cooker and letting it do its thing. I love that delicious, sweet and savoury sauce to pour over the chicken. I love to serve this with some egg fried rice, some chopped spring onions and some sesame seeds. This slow cooker honey garlic chicken is the slow cooker version of one of our absolute reader favourites. And if you want to check out the OG version, then you can check it out over here. See you next time.